Another way to fix zucchini among many. Potatoes. Potatoes it goes well with it. After a rain, you can well bet that there's going to be a lot of, and everything else, as far as cucumbers, stuff like that. They'll be everywhere. I like these little tender ones the best. They are the best. Yeah, the little tender zucchini is by far the best as far as I'm concerned. I just twist them a little bit. They twist right off. There's another one below it. Now we just picked these the other day. But they are delicious if you like zucchini. We've got more squish bugs too. I just wanted to come out here and get these picked because it don't take long that they will get bigger than you need. I just rinse them off a little bit. Rinse them blossom ends off. If there's any little bugs lingering, it'll get them. But I don't understand. There's something that I've not come across yet that will stop that from happening so quick, because it's aggravating to grow a plant and get it that big and then watch it die off. I tell you what we'll do. We'll go in here and fix us one of these to eat. Let's get that done. Let's go on in the house. We'll cook us something to eat. Let's just cut this up. Cut this up. Where's my scrap ball? Oh, there it is. Not gonna need much scraps. Just gonna cut that baby right in the middle, just like that. And then cut this in the middle, like so. And just cut them about like that. Not too thick, not too thin. Okay. That's our zooks. Now on the potatoes, what I do, I cut that potato right there, right in the middle. Then take this and cut it. I cut it thin when I'm doing this, because I want them to cook quick. Thin, thin, thin. I'm just showing you what I do here to fix me some breakfast. Turn that down lower. And then I take these potatoes and put them in first. Put the potatoes in first and get them coated a little with that butter. This won't take long. And I don't think my lid fits. But anyway, it fits enough. potatoes. Turn that back up a little. It's cooled off a little. Now this ain't normally the way I fry taters, but you soak them. I didn't soak these because I'm kind of in a hurry. Get them taters going, then take your zucchini, put your zucchini in there, just like that. Now here's the key that I was telling you the other day that I do. You can take you a little water. Don't take much. Don't take much. Take you a little water. Have your lid. Put your little water in there. You can hear that water screaming. And what that'll do is that'll cook that down a lot quicker. A couple of mushrooms. I'll lay my eggs right there. I'll just take the mushrooms and slice those mushrooms. About 4 little slices on a bigger one, 3 on that one. 2 or 3 on that one. And then go ahead and take them mushrooms and put in there. While I've got that lid off, I want to do one more thing that's really worth it. If you like it. If you don't like doing this, don't do it. You can take your little beef bouillon, sprinkle it around on there, just a little. Make sure you throw half of it on the stove there. You gotta make a mess. And stir that just a little bit. Get that stuff all incorporated. She's a sweating. It's a sweating, boy. Put that lid back on there. A little more water, pour it on your lid. It'll find its way in there. Now that's all the water that you'll probably have to use this to steam that. And then, because that zucchini is going to start releasing some moisture. Yeah, that zucchini, it'll start releasing moisture. And then you'll be wanting to get rid of some water. You'll be wanting to get some water out of there. Yeah, you can see how that's a steaming now. That's good. That's a cooking. Boy, that'll speed things up. That'll speed things up. Stir that stuff around there, get it off the sides, get it in the middle. Rake it all back in the middle, kind of. That's what I do. Put that lid back on there a minute. I'm going to turn that up a little. About 6, 6.5. 6.5. Just a little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. Steam, baby, steam. Get that to going. Zucchini's good, but you can get overwhelmed. It don't take many plants. You'll have all the zucchini that you possibly want, and then some. That's why I like to get them little. Them's actually too big. When it gets to looking like those zucchinis out there are not big enough, but they're pretty good size, but they're not big enough, they're usually ready to get right then. These, see, this is what I'm saying. We picked them the other day, and look at that. You see that? That's too big, but I mean, that's fine to fry. That's fine to fry. And cut it, you know, and fry them, roll them and fry them. But as far as doing what I'm doing here, that zucchini is a little bit too big. These is about the right size right here. And this ain't a bad one. None of these is bad size, really. Ain't really bad. See, not bad. This looks like a butternut. I believe that's been crossed with a butternut. I don't know. Anyway, they're what they are. Those are cooked. Now what we want to do now is leave that lid off. Or what I do anyway. I'm not telling you what to do, I'm just saying what I do. Leave that lid off of there. I like to spread them out a little when I've got that lid off. Now there's a multitude of things you can do here. You can put different seasonings on it. Right here's a little rosemary and garlic. Spice it up just a little bit. Right here's a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. A little of them. And here's something a lot of people don't use. They're scared to death of it. MSG. Look here. Very lightly. Very lightly. It don't take much. Don't take much at all. Then give that another little stir. Get all them seasonings incorporated. And then when it gets to this point, what I like to do is take a fork and grab your potato, check it a little bit. You know your zucchini's ready. Now, I'll take that heat and I'll crank it back down to about 4, 3.5. Let's go 3.5. Then what I'll do is I'll take my eggs and break right in there. 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs. And when I broke them eggs in there, take this fork and break that yellow, spin them eggs just a little bit. Do this pretty quick. And take your spatula and start rolling that around. Cover all that stuff in there with them eggs. Get them coated with the eggs. Get them coated. Now, it won't hurt a thing. Put that lid back on there for a second. I like them onions. You like onions? Now, it don't take long. When you put those eggs in there, this is done. You don't want to scorch it or burn it. Just roll that around. We'll make sure them eggs gets cooked. You can see it start drying just a little bit. Start drying out a little bit. All that water, that moisture's gone. It's steamed out. Now what you do is you take your plate and plate this up. Now you may not think this looks good. But they tell me looks is deceiving too, don't they? Can you see that? You've got mushrooms, potatoes, zucchini, eggs, and onion. Seasoned. Potatoes. Zucchini's perfect. Well worth cooking. Takes a few minutes. Garden food. Sweet onion. Another way to fix zucchini among many. Potatoes. Potatoes it goes well with it. Slice them potatoes thin. And onions. Delicious. Okay, that's enough of me of chewing and eating. I'm gonna go in here and finish this off. I just wanted to show you one way I utilize zucchini. a good way, simple way, quick way. And they're delicious. I'll catch you on the next video here in a day or two.